Today I am going to do one new video regarding Absolute Linux. Absolute is a 64-bit Linux distribution based upon Slackware. It concentrates on desktop used to be ready for internet, multimedia, document and general home use out of the box. So here just we'll check for the features and what are the uses of this Absolute Linux. So it's an 64-bit Linux distribution. So just we'll download it and we'll check for it. So open Google Chrome and type there as Absolute Linux. See, here we can see Absolute Linux home page is there. Absolute is a 64-bit Linux distribution. So whatever just now I read, same thing has been came. So here we can see Absolute is used, so ready for internet, multimedia, document, general. Okay, here we can see ISOs at source fork and latest release is snapshot and MD5 some values is there. Absolute 64 Snapchat live is there, and community choice, open source excellence, favorite, community leader. So download zip to create live USB from Windows, tar for Linux. So I just downloaded ISO image, and now we have to download Rufus. Just open Google Chrome and type there as Rufus, RUFUS, and enter. And here you can see Rufus and create bootable USB drives the easy way. So just drag down, and here you can see Rufus 4.3 standard portable versions are there, 64, 86 and all. So just go for standard 4.3 first option, and I downloaded Rufus. Just open Rufus and insert 8 GB pen drive, 8 to 16 GB pen drive required, and complete the process and then restart your system and create new virtual machine. Absolute Linux here it has been appeared. Base memory size 4 MB, boot hard disk primary master, create new hard disk, Absolute Linux, other Linux 256 MB, and here general system, display, storage, audio, network, serial port, USB, shared folder has been appeared, and storage here you can see. I just selected Absolute Linux ISO, and here you can see Absolute Linux setup is there. Set up your target partition. I selected target, and in use Dev SDA6 on, and finish setting up Linux partition. Done adding Linux. Install from an Absolute CD or DVD. OK. Auto scan for the CD or DVD drive recommended. OK. Installing package series A. Simple, try to install LILO automatically. Standard, I selected standard, use the standard Linux console, the safe, and root is there, floppy is there, and Microsoft PS by 2 Intel mouse. Yes or no option. GPM configuration, yes. Hardware clock set to UTC, no. And time zone configuration, Asia. Setup complete, okay. Slackware Linux, Slackware Linux, loading Linux, BIOS, okay. Control panel, things to do right away. Welcome to Absolute. Hope this video is good. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.